Hello artists, happy 2025. I was a party animal and stayed up until 9:30 last night. So yeah, I was up really late. So a couple days ago I did a video about how to level up your paintings in 2025. And the piece of advice that I had, the third piece of advice, was not to worry about the little mistakes in the painting. So I want to go back and I want to show you that Watercolor Batik of Helsinki film that I was working on. And I want to show you how I've completely hidden those very mistakes at the beginning by not correcting, by just continuing to paint and not stress about those little issues. And if you can do that, you're going to have such better paintings coming forward in 2025. In the video I did the other day, I showed you the spots in the skies that were like in this section and this section over here, and I said don't worry about that because a couple, 3 or 4 layers later, you're not even going to notice that. And that's the truth. Look at this now. If you look at this painting, you can't see those spots at all because there's a lot of other stuff I've messed up. Like for example, I waxed off the wrong areas over here, but I can't fix that until later. And that's what I'm saying. Just don't worry about things too much. Just go with the flow of it. It is watercolor. It's never going to be perfect, but that's what makes it perfect in my opinion. And you see, those spots have completely disappeared. I don't even see those things. I see all the other issues with the painting. So I hope this kind of helps out a little bit. Don't stress too much about things that happen with watercolor because, again, it is an unpredictable medium. It's a fun medium, but it kind of does its own thing. And as long as you can embrace that, and you're not like a type A personality, you're going to love painting watercolor. If you like this content, hit subscribe. I'll have more watercolor tutorials in the future. Thanks a lot and happy painting.